Hello, my dear students. Good morning. So, next I am going to discuss the next chapter R and S system of configuration. In the last class, I have discussed the configuration. Under the configuration, I have discussed Fisher projection, Newman projection, and Sahar projections, and the DL and S system of configuration. When DL system was applied for all of the compounds, it was observed that in the case of mesotartaric acid, it fails. So, in order to overcome this problem, R and S system of configuration was introduced. Let me discuss now. So, I am Dr. R. Gunasekharan, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. R and S system of configuration. Kindly follow R and S system of configuration. To overcome the problem of D and L configuration, a newer and more systematic method of specifying absolute configuration was introduced by Kahn, Ingold, and Prelog. 3 persons, Kahn, Ingold, Prelog, and this system is called R and S system of configuration. Please follow. R and S system. Authors Kahn, Ingold, Prelog. So this is to overcome the DL configuration. This system was introduced. Let me go now. R and S system of configuration consists of 2 subrules. According to Kahn, Ingold, Prelog rules, there are 2 subrules. A, sequence rule or priority rule. Sequence rule or priority rule. B, conversion rule or chirality rule. So let me discuss one by one. First, let me take now, according to Kahn, Ingold, Prelog's rule, first one, A, sequence rule or priority. Priority rule. This is the most suitable word that is applicable. Now, so this is applicable only for optic-lactic compound. Only for optic-lactic compound. Arrange the atom or group present in the asymmetric carbon atom. Please follow. Asymmetric carbon atom in the order of decreasing atomic number as A, B, C, and D, or 1, 2, 3, and 4. According to the sequence rule given below. Please follow. So if you take a cross and if we have some groups, let me say now, let me introduce like this, H, OH, and I will write here COH and CH3 like this. Kindly follow. Now what I have to do now? Based on the atomic number, arrange the atom or group present in the asymmetric carbon. Which is the asymmetric carbon atom. So what are the atoms attached to asymmetric carbon atom? Here is oxygen is attached, hydrogen is attached, here methyl group is attached, here carboxyl group. The only problem now between COH and CH3. For that the rule gives priority. The COH takes priority than methyl, we are going to see. So, arrange. So, number 1, in the decreasing order of atomic number. Oxygen is highest atomic number. Then carbon 2, this carbon 3, this is 4. This is the rule. So, arrange the atom or groups present in the asymmetric carbon atom in the order of decreasing atomic number as A, B, C, and D, or 1, 2, 3, and 4 according to the sequence rule below. What is the sequence rule? Sequence rule I am giving in the form of 1A, 1B, 1C, etc. When 2 or more groups have identical first atom, kindly follow CH3COH, identical first atom carbon, attached to asymmetric carbon atom, the priority order is determined by considering the atomic numbers of second and third atom and so on, until the priority order is fixed. Please follow. So I am taking care. Kindly follow. This is glycerol. 1 OH number 2 CH2OH, number 3 CH3, number 4. Why? Oxygen atomic number highest, carbon identical, so 2 hydrogen to equal, third is hydrogen, here O, so this is number 2 priority, this is number 3 priority, number 4. So we have to consider second or third or fourth until priority order is satisfied. We have to give number B. Now when we are doing like this, if we are having a double or triple bond is considered as equal to 2 or 3 single bond. For example, C double bond C considered as this way. C double bond C considered as CC. Same way C triple bond C considered as CCC. Same way C double bond O considered as COO. So that you can easily overcome the problem. Kindly follow. Suppose you have CHO and another is CO, automatically CO it is common, H is there. So in the C double bond O should be considered as CO and CO. So this takes priority. Please follow. Example here. We have discussed already. Kindly follow. What we are discussing? So in this case, CH2OH equivalent to, we are writing HHOH, and CHO we are writing OOH. So automatically this takes priority. Number 2, kindly follow. Now, next is higher atomic mass precedes lower atomic mass. Suppose if the atoms are different, if you take example of here, protium, deuterium and tritium, example is methanol. Kindly follow, ordinary methanol is CH3OH, but instead of this ordinary methanol, I am writing 3 different hydrogen atom, deuterium and tritium. So this is again 4 different asymmetric carbon atom. In that case, what is the atomic number is same. Please follow. Hydrogen atomic number, deuterium, tritium same. So in that case, mass takes priority. Higher atomic mass precedes lower atomic mass. So number 1 as usual OH. Number 2 tritium, because atomic mass we know it is 3. Deuterium 3, this is 4. This is the order. This is the mass according order. Then D, kindly follow. When we are attached to asymmetric carbon atom, we are having a C double bond C may be attached. When C double bond C attached, there may be cis form, there may be trans form. So in that case, group, everything is identical. The Kohn-Ingold-Prelog rule says cis group precedes trans group. Cis takes priority over trans. Please follow. Cis group takes priority over trans. The same way E. In this case, we are going to discuss later cases Z and E notation that will come under the geometrical isomerism. We are going to see later. But temporarily, we just remember Z means same, E means opposite. You remember. That is cis and trans like this. So Z groups precedes E group. Cis precedes trans we see, same way Z precedes E. Then F. Suppose when we are seeing about one asymmetric carbon, so neighbor asymmetric carbon atoms also asymmetric. In that case, neighboring one is R, another is S. What we can have? The rule says, Kohn-Ingold-Prelog rule says, R group precedes S group. R group precedes S group. Same way, G, RR, or SS groups precede RS or SR groups. Please follow. This we have to keep it in mind. Okay. Once we have arranged everything, the order is fixed. 1, 2, 3, 4 order. The first rule is fixed. Then we have to go for conversion rule. That means we have to convert whether it is R or S, we have to convert. Kindly follow. How to convert? According to conversion rule proposed by Kohn-Ingold and Prelog, when the priority order of atom or group is settled, The configurational arrangement is made by applying chirality rule. What is chirality rule? In case of three-dimensional model, please follow, three-dimensional model, the molecule should be viewed from the side removed from D or 4, the lowest priority. What way? Kindly follow. I can show you now. Kindly follow. I can show you now. So let me say now this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So when we are viewing from here, kindly follow, viewing from here, this is the fourth priority. So keep the fourth priority. So you take a tetrahedral model and keep the fourth priority away. In front of it there will be a triangle type. That is, this is a triangular type you will have. So automatically fix the order 1, 2, 3. Suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 means clockwise. Otherwise it is anti-clockwise. Kindly follow. In case three-dimensional model, the molecule should be viewed from the side remote from D, the lowest priority. You have to see from the lowest, opposite to the lowest priority. Please follow. Then, convention rule. A says, if that means if A, B and C now traces a right-handed turn, kindly follow, neglecting the fourth priority. We are neglecting the fourth priority. That is model. Please follow. If you are viewing the model, three-dimensional model, we are keeping the fourth priority away. Only 3, that is, we have now in front of us. 3 we have in front of us. 1, 2, 3. So this is clockwise. Then 1, 2, this is anti-clockwise. Kindly follow. So the fourth priority is away from this. Kindly follow. If A, B and C are 1, 2, 3, now traces a right-handed clockwise direction, then configuration is R, where R stands for rectus, a Latin word meaning right. This is the question asked in my PhD Viva. Okay. Then B, if A, B and C now traces a left-handed turn anti-clockwise, then configuration is yes. This is R, this is yes. Kindly follow. Very, very, very simple. Very, very simple. When it is simple, one molecular model is provided with you. But unfortunately, when you are going for examinations, you are not allowed to carry the model. Then what we have to do now? So we have to get the help of Fisher projection or Newman projection or Sahar projection. We have to predict R or S configuration. So let me explain now. So this is the conversion. Kindly follow. Just now I informed you. This is D away. So A, B, C clockwise R. This is anti-clockwise S. Now conversion rule for two-dimensional. Please follow. This is not available in our book. Not available in your book. In book. Because this I have published a paper in 1985 in Indian Journal of Chemistry. Please follow. What is this? Two-dimension means, so we have to apply some rule in two-dimensional plus model. What is the model? Let me say that one. So you write all the 4 groups in the plus form. The next one, first rule, neglect the fourth priority. D, fourth priority. Neglect the fourth priority. Draw arrow connecting A, B, C or 1, 2, 3 in two-dimensional cross. If the arrow moves clockwise, configuration is R. If arrow moves anti-clockwise, the configuration is S. See, follow D, A, B, C. So this is anti-clockwise. Please follow. So neglect the fourth priority. Please follow. I am telling not model, molecular model. I am telling the cross, two-dimensional. Kindly follow. Okay. Now, second rule. Now there is one correction is there. When we are doing this, we have problem. That problem I have overcome by an assumption. That is, identify the position of the fourth priority. Identify the position of the fourth priority. If the fourth priority occupies vertical positions, 4 here or 4 here, vertical position, then predicted configuration is correct. If the fourth priority occupies horizontal position, 4 here, 4 here, then predicted configuration is opposite of predicted. It is wrong. It's the reverse of the original. Please follow. So this you have to memorize. Please follow. This is not available in our book. This is I am giving to you. Please follow. I have published paper on this. Okay. Now, for simple example, I am taking D-glyceraldehyde. Please follow. My dear students, I am going to explain to you this example with you so that you can easily predict 4 number glucose also you can give within a minute you can predict all the 4 carbon atom R or S configuration. Just see here. I am taking a specific example of D-glyceraldehyde. D-glyceraldehyde. So I am giving number OH number 1, CH2O number 2, number 3, number 4. So neglect the fourth priority. So what I am now adding now, see here, 1, 2, 3 I am adding. It is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise means yes. Kindly follow. Now see the fourth priority, it is horizontal. If horizontal means yes is not correct, the original is R. R is the correct answer. Please follow. Suppose fourth priority occupy vertical position, it is R. This is occupy in the horizontal position, fourth priority, it is yes. So if it is R means the original will be yes. So let me explain now. Kindly follow. For this is a very interesting information, students. Nobody can explain like me this explanation can give this one because I have done research on this one. That's what I am doing. I can write 12 possible structure for this one. For single R glyceraldehyde. D-glyceraldehyde is nothing but R glyceraldehyde. I can draw 12 possible structure. What way? See here. I am now drawing by keeping OH above. Please follow. OH is above. I am rotating the molecular model, so they will change according to the position, rotation. So molecule, the configuration is not changing. By rotation, configuration will not change. Only by interchange of bond breaking will take place. So by simple rotation, what I am doing now, see here, OH here. So let me give number priority number 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Fourth priority vertical R. Please follow. Vertical R. Now let me come for here. 1, this is 2. This is anti-clockwise, yes. Fourth priority horizontal, so real is R. Correct. Third one. This is 1, 2, 3. Yes. But fourth priority horizontal, so correct one is R is the correct answer. Please follow. All the 3, when OH is above, we have 3 representation possible. All the 3 we are calculating as, determining as R configuration. Let me go for the next one. I will keep now CH2O at the top. 3 possible orientations. So let me take now 1, 2, 3. So this is yes. So fourth priority horizontal, so real is R. So let me take here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, yes. So fourth priority horizontal, R is real. Let me come back here, 1, 2, 3, or clockwise, R vertical, so this is correct. So all the 3 are again the R configuration, when CHO above. So now 6 configurations are possible. Now I will keep now CH2OH above. I will have 3 possible orientation. Let me again take 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, it means yes. So fourth priority horizontal. So real is R is the correct answer. Now let me take here 1, 2, 3. Again, yes. So real is R. Then come over here. 1, 2, 3, R. So fourth priority is here at the vertical. So this is right. So all the 3 configuration, again nothing but the configuration is R configuration. The lastly, I will keep H is above. Again 3 more orientation. Totally how many? I am getting for 12 orientation possible for single one asymmetric carbon atom. See here. Now again 1, 2, 3 R. So fourth period is vertical. This is correct. Here again see 1, 2, 3 R vertical. Then again 1, 2, 3 R vertical. So that's why whenever you want to identify R configuration, if both priority either at the top or at the bottom, the configuration is easy to predict. That is easy without any deviation. So neglecting the fourth priority, draw arrow. If arrow moves clockwise or if arrow moves anti-clockwise, yes. Yes stands for sinister. Kindly follow. Now, the conversion rule. This is D-tartaric acid. This is L-tartaric acid. So let me, for you, I can do you for you. Kindly follow. So D-tartaric acid, let me take number 1, number 2, number 3. So first carbon 2 is the first asymmetric and this is second asymmetric. Kindly follow, optically active. So what will happen now? This is 1, this is 2, the entire group is 3. So this is clockwise. 1, 2, 3 clockwise. So it is R. Because here kindly follow the fourth priority in the horizontal. So real will be yes. Please follow. Real will be yes. Coming over here. 1, 2, 3 R. So real will be yes. So in this case 2 yes, 3 yes, the tartaric acid. I can give the name is 2s, 3s, dihydroxybutane 1,4 dioic acid is D-tartaric acid. The same mirror image, this will be R, this will be also R. You can identify easily. Kindly follow. How you can identify 1, 2, this entire thing 3. This is yes. Yes means this is R. So this is R. Same way 1, 2, 3. Yes. So this is, so original will be R. So this is SS means this is RR. So it is a mirror image. Kindly follow. Now let me go for the tartaric acid. I am giving IUPAC name. Just see, follow the IUPAC name. D-tartaric acid. There is a numbering I will 1, 2, 3, 4. 2s, 3s, dihydroxybutane. I am retaining E. 1,4 dioic acid. Please follow. The corresponding mirror image 2R, 3R, dihydroxybutane 1,4 dioic acid. Suppose if it is a meso, 2s, 3R. Sorry, 2R, 3s. 2R, 3s. Because R takes priority always, yes. Kindly follow. So, now next let me go for L-tartaric acid. Again, as usual, this is call it as 2R, 3R, dihydroxybutane 1,4 dioic acid. Now, this is the glucose. Please follow. Glucose. I am going to name IUPAC just at a faster rate. You can follow me. You can follow me. Kindly follow. Let me take this 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5 carbon. That is 4 asymmetric carbon. 2. So when I take 2, number 1 is OH, number 2 CHO, number 3 is this entire remaining 3, this is 4. So that means 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 means yes. So horizontal, yes means fourth priority horizontal, so R it is. Then come over here, OH number 1 and CHO number 2, this is arrow clockwise R, but fourth priority in the horizontal, so it is S. Come over here, this is 1, 2, 3, yes, fourth priority H here, horizontal R. The same with this also, yes, fourth priority here R. So I can name 2R, 3S, 4R, 5R, 6 pentahydroxy hexane 1Al. This is the open chain form of D-glucose. Why I am calling it the D-glucose? The lowermost asymmetric carbon OH is on the right hand side. D-glucose. So what is the IUPAC name for D-glucose? Means 2R, 3S, 4R, 5R, 6 pentahydroxy hexane 1R. Please follow, my dears. Any complicated structure, we can do it. Now, let me go for E and Z system of configuration. E and Z system of configuration, I will go. Okay, let me take now. This is actually coming under the geometrical isomerisms. So anyhow, I will discuss here also because it is coming under configuration. So it is my duty, I have to explain this also. Okay, what is the geometrical isomerism? Geometrical isomerism is also known as cis-trans isomerism. This is coming under the isomerism. So since I am discussing because of the configuration. If one atom or group is common in both carbon atom connected by a double bond, if there is a double bond connected, then I can say H here, and here it is COH, here it is COH, so we can say cis. And H, COH, that is COH opposite, H and H opposite, that is called trans. If an atom or group is not common in both carbon atom connected by double bond, then we have to apply E and Z system of configuration. That means, kindly follow. So normally when we are applying E and Z system, the normal system of cis and trans configuration is not applicable. We are applying the E and Z system of configuration. So I hope I can stop here because this I will bring it under the geometrical isomerism. So I can stop here. Thank you very much for your kind confirmations. My dear students, thank you very much for the kind cooperation you have given so far. If you are a first newcomer to see my channel, Neat Chemistry by Dr. R. Gunasekaran in YouTube, kindly click, share and subscribe button first time. For students who are studying +2 and waiting for the NEET entrance examination students, that is repeaters, I have a good news for you. So, we are running a veterinary coaching center in Pondicherry for the last 21 years, and our achievements are given in our site, Veterinary Daughters online site. In the Veterinary Daughters, if you go to the home page, you can see our achievements for the last 20 years. A few I will indicate. 1. Every year we are sending from 2015 to 20 students we are sending to JIPMER. 150 to 200 students we are sending to other medical colleges. Large number of students for engineering colleges and other colleges. 1. Number 2, in 2003, one of our student R. Srinivasa Raghavan, took All India first rank in Japan. This is the credit for Vetri Daughters in 2003 itself. Now, let me give some important information regarding our Vetri Daughters. 3 important features we have. The first feature, we have the Vetri Daughters has 200 video lesson, 200 unit test. 200 video lesson for 4 subjects we have. What is the advantage of video lesson? It is recorded directly, taken by professors, doctors, professors with 20 to 30 years of experience teaching for PG, and they are coaching for plus 1, plus 2 level for 20 to 30 years. They are handling classes. So they know how to handle. So when we are doing the video lesson, you have the facility, you can stop the video, note the formula, derivation, definition, anything you can. Then again you touch, it will move, it will run. So that video will be framed such a way, it can be stopped, it can be allowed to move anytime, any way. Okay, so that means that is one advantage. The second advantage is we are giving 200 unit tests. That means 4 subject 200. Each unit of each subject, that is each topic, 2 tests. For example, basic concept of chemistry, first unit, we have 2 unit tests. 1, 2. Each one having 45 questions. You can ask, what is the importance of this? So all the questions that are framed for Vetri Daughters, taken from 20 years question papers of IIT, AIMS, AFMC, AIPMT, MSET Andhra, all these, even Delhi, Karnataka, Kerala. See, what is the advantage of taking these questions? For the last 6 years, when NEET was introduced as the only examination throughout India, we have observed for every year 75 to 80 questions asked in NEET India entrance examination. It is coming from our question bank without any even single word changing. So that means you are getting 300 plus mark, Vetri Daughters is giving to you. And if you are a strong student, a good student and a hard-working student, you can easily get 300 plus. So easily you will get 600 plus out of 720. You will become All India rank. You will get doctor. You will become easily doctor. Please follow. This is the one important feature. The second important feature we have, while writing the test, we are having a special menu called review. How to write the test? Just open, click the test, will enter, and click the whatever topic you want, enter. Then when you click, there is an attempt. Click attempt, it will ask, are you ready? There are 45 questions. For each question carries 4 marks. For correct answer 4 marks, wrong answer -1. Are you ready? Then if you click yes, immediately the window will open. First question will be coming out. You can see the first question. Option A, option C, B, C, D, you can see. Below there is, that is the 3. The center is complete. Right side next. Left side reverse. This is the menu will be there. Center complete. Right side next. Left side reverse menu will be there. And below that there is again 1 to 45 question number will be there. Numbers will be there. So for example, you are attending after attending the question number 1. So if you assume A is the correct answer, if you click A, what will happen? 1 to 45 question will be in yellow color. After clicking the question number A, immediately 1 will become green color. The second number, question number 2 will be blue color, all the other will be yellow. That means that indicate 1 you have answered, you have to attempt, the remaining question you have to attempt later. This is the idea it is giving. So go up to 45. First attempt only 100% knowing questions. Second attempt you try by thinking twice, thrice. So 80% if you think it is correct answer, then third step you go for problem solving. After completing the test, suppose in the case of Daughters 45, in the case of the NEET and Government of India 200 questions. So if after finishing everything, now complete, you press complete, or in that sometime they will give submit. It will be there. If you here in Daughters we are giving complete. If you press complete, immediately mark will be coming in front of your window. That is, let me say this way, 140 by 180. Then you can ask me, sir, how I am getting 148 out of 180? What about remaining 40 marks? How? 10 questions I have done mistakes. I want to know what question, where I have done mistake. So that is the review menu will help you. So after finishing everything, after seeing the marks, click review. When you click review, what will happen now? The question number 1 will open, that is question. Option A, option B, option C, option D will be there. So A will be in blue color because you have done mistake. Here correct answer will be here. And below that there is a solution. Video solution will be there. Video solution. So if it is wrong, your answer is wrong, your answer will be in yellow color, coinciding with the correct answer. Suppose your answer is blue color, it is not coinciding, then see the video lesson. Video will run nearly 10 to 15 minutes. Kindly follow. Giving all information regarding formula, basic principle, derivations, explanations, diagram if necessary, table of everything will be given within 10 to 15 minutes. It is again a video lesson. But this is not available in any other online in India. All other online you go, just they will give 1 line or 2 line typed matter. A dull student cannot understand that one, how it is coming. But our video solution, we can able to explain very, very, very nicely. So even dull student get easily 500 marks if they attend Daughters. Okay. Third important feature I want to say, it is a low cost. What is a low cost means? We are collecting only 10,000 rupees per year for 4 subjects. All others are collecting in lakhs, 1, 1.5, 2, 3, like that. So we are collecting only 10,000 per year. So dear students, if parents, those who are seeing this, kindly admit when they are entering in +1 itself, allow them to join with your Daughters. So you are going to spend only 20,000 in the whole 2 years. Nothing 20,000. Even very poor family can offer this. So if you attend this, 100% guarantee you will get 600 plus. Then how to pay the amount? 10,000. Pay 10,000 rupees in the name of Santi, Director, Vetri Coaching Center, Indian Bank, account number 712719471, IFSC code IDIB 000P134. If any information, just contact me, cell number 9894176425. I hope you have enjoyed. See you again in the next class. Thank you.